To create a Play Store account, first, you need to open the Play Store app from your phone. Then, tap on the Sign In button. Wait a few seconds for this processing. Now, click on the Create Account text. Choose the For My Personal Use. Here, enter your name. First name is mandatory and last name is optional. Then click Next. Now, enter the birthday date and gender. And click Next again. Now, enter your account name here that you want to keep, but remember it must be unique. Click Next. But this name is not available. They give me 3 suggestions. I choose the first one. Then click the Next button. Type a stronger password here. The password length must be 8 characters long. Tap on the Next button again. Here, you can enter your phone number. It's useful to recover your password when you forget it. Otherwise, you can skip it by clicking here. Click the Next button. Now scroll down and click the I agree button. Wait for the processing. Tap on Accept. Congratulations! You successfully opened the Play Store. Thanks for watching.